Welcome to the Medical Rescue Sim Clinic Patient Monitor Simulation tutorial. The waveform view on the left shows two ECG limb leads: invasive blood pressure, oxygen saturation, and capnography. Touching a field activates the corresponding curve display or selects an optional trend view to visualize the course of the past 5 minutes. The corresponding numerical vital signs and alarm limits can be read in the area on the right. Tapping the respective values opens the corresponding settings window. There are 30 basic rhythms available in the ECG section. 6 limb leads can be displayed for each rhythm. The heart rate is variable within wide limits within a waveform and also autonomously over time. The blood pressure for non-invasive and invasive measurement is carried out either via a selection of standard values or via freely adjustable controllers. Here too, a temporal progression is possible. The body temperature is also specified in this window, and the unit can be switched in the basic settings. The value of peripheral oxygen saturation must be determined constant or time varying. In addition, the perfusion index can be adjusted in multi-level percentages. In the capnometry area, both the respiratory rate and the value of the end-tidal CO2 partial pressure can be selected. The capnography curve can be changed from standard to obstruction. The Medical Rescue Sim Clinic remote control app offers activating all curves, setting vital signs, and many other functions via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. This makes a comfortable and realistic simulation possible. The patient monitor control buttons are positioned in the lower part of the screen. Visual and acoustic alarms are activated by default, which warn if the respective alarm limits are exceeded or fallen below. These are displayed next to the associated vital signs. The pause button silences alarms for 2 minutes unless another value derails. Using the alarm button with the gear symbol, all alarm limits can be set individually or adapted to the current measured values. If necessary, the ECG speaker button switches on a QRS or pulse tone with a saturation-dependent frequency. The NIBP button starts the non-invasive blood pressure measurement. NIBP NT activates and deactivates an automatic interval between 2 and 30 minutes. The last 3 measurements are displayed in list form together with the pulse value and a timestamp. The system gear icon calls up the basic settings of the simulator. Numerous individual adjustments to the app must be made here. These persist even after you exit the program. The MRS Clinic button displays a quick guide to operating the patient monitor, as well as general information about the app. The long press power button disables the monitor and resets the settings. You can find more information about Medical Rescue Sim Clinic and our other simulation apps on our website.